We're at the intersection of Cedar Point Drive and Cleveland Road, looking northbound, and this is the first roundabout in the City of Sandusky.
We do have message boards that are up temporarily until we get all final signage in. That tells you to watch the markings on the pavement, follow those, slow down as you're approaching and within the roundabout itself.
Take your time. You're going to need to be cognizant of any vehicles already in the roundabout. You have to yield to those, of course, before you enter the roundabout. So pay a lot of attention.
As we have opened the roundabout to the public, it is still a construction site. There is still a lot of work going on around the area. We still have asphalt pavement going down along Cleveland Road up near Remington. Right now the intersections over at Remington are closed and are due to open before the weekend. But as we move through final construction phases, we will still have crews out here doing final grading, finishing work. So again, we appreciate everybody's patience throughout this project and through these final weeks as we button everything up at an exciting time when Cedar Point is opening for the season again.